Let's get into this hair. She is the moment. It is such a vibe, so summer appropriate. I'm loving this hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in collaboration with my Quality Hair. Shout outs to them for sending me this wig, and this wig is their 13x6 HD lace pixie cut wig. I have it in a 8-inch and it is 150% density. It is a Indian virgin human hair, and this is what it's looking like, y'all. This hair is just like really amazing. This wig itself has 5 lace options. You can have a 13x6, a 13x4, an HD lace, or you could have a 13x6 medium lace, and you could also have it in a 13x6 transparent lace. Oh guys, this hair comes in a 360 lace as well. The price is different, guys, but the lowest price is only $130 after you use the coupon code, which will be in the description box below. Their wigs are ready to ship, so if you are interested in a 13x6 or a 13x4 HD, it is ready to ship, y'all. And wigs usually take 5 to 7 days to customize, but this specific wig, it's in stock and ready to ship. I really like this hair. It's so summer appropriate. I went ahead and I just plucked it a little bit and I added my makeup to the lace, and right now I'm just cutting off all the extra lace, and then I'm gonna go in and install her. For this look, I'm using just the Ebon hairspray. I'm doing a glueless install, especially in the summertime. Right now it's really hot. If I put my wig on, I tend to take it off at night, so I'm using my Ebon spray only because I'm not keeping her on for long. And as per usual, you go in with some alcohol to clean the skin, and then I'm going in with my Bold Hold Skin Protect. I use that to prep my skin whenever I'm putting on any kinds of lace, whether I be using glue or just a spray. And I will go in and do 2 layers, and I do it in sections. So I do my middle section first, I put a layer, and then I blow dry on cool. Afterwards, guys, I do another layer, and then I blow dry and cool, and then I apply my lace. Pretty simple, pretty easy. The rest of the video though is like literally self-explanatory, guys, so I'm just gonna have you like watch the video and I will come back. Also, check out the description box for all the links. All the links will be there to this wig. And as you can see, you have many different options, whether you want a lot of lace or a little lace. We have options, girls, and different prices to suit your budget.
I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true, or maybe I'm the fool for you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Yeah, I don't usually get like this. Get like it.
Once my wig is on and just like set, I was trying to do some baby hairs. I don't even know what I was trying to do, child, but it wasn't working out. So I had to go off camera and get my little swoops together because I wasn't sure what I was trying to do. I wanted just like one big like swoop, but it was cute. So this is what we're looking like after everything is done. And guys, I realized after recording this video that I didn't add any foundation to my part. So pardon the part if it doesn't look as great. But I honestly didn't realize until after I was done recording and ready to go somewhere. I'm like, wait, I didn't add foundation. But I'm just hot combing the hair and I'm going through just so it'll be really, really flat. And I decided to do a side part, and then I will just be adding curls to the hair so it has this really nice, messy, effortless look. And yeah, that's all I'm doing, and it'll turn out pretty good. This hair was super easy to style, very simple and like straight to the point. You can wear it straight or you could add curls. I love the curls and I like when they drop and just look like messy and effortless, especially because the hair is so short. Let me know like your thoughts down below, guys. Do you like this unit? Would you try this unit? I definitely would recommend trying it. It's so cute. It's so realistic looking. Like, it's definitely a vibe. And be sure to use my code down below. It'll get you $15 off. So definitely check that out.
Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more.
These are my finished results. I have nothing bad to say. This wig is effortless. It's so beautiful. It doesn't shed, and it's literally a vibe, a whole vibe, okay? It's giving summer, it's giving rich auntie, it's just giving. And I love it. Let me know your thoughts down below, guys. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one.